Hi guys and welcome to Review Bugs. Today we are bringing you a very nice and cool security camera for review and showcase. So stay tuned while we explore the product and show you what it got, and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for regular updates. Arlo is one of the stalwarts of the home security market, having been among the first brands to launch a wireless camera aimed at the consumer in 2014, and since then it's made a name for itself by offering some of the best home security cameras you can buy. With each iteration, the resolution and quality of the footage has improved, while the addition of features such as customizable motion zones and the use of AI to identify the source of an alert has helped to reduce the number of unwanted alerts. Just like other Arlo home security cameras, the Ultra 2, which is weatherproof and can be powered via the mains or with a rechargeable battery, will send a notification to your smartphone if it detects motion in its 180-degree field of view, so you can log in and view what's happening at your property in real time. The Arlo Ultra 2 has a 12x zoom, so it's easy to pick out details like car license plates and clothing logos in the video. It also has the same built-in spotlight as the Arlo Ultra, which when activated ensures that footage recorded at night is in color rather than black and white. However, the new model builds on its predecessor with support for both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz YF bands and an increased range, which should put an end to connectivity issues. It's also compatible with Alexa, Google Assistant, and HomeKit. The Arlo Ultra 2 has the same stylish monochrome design as previous iterations of Arlo's home security cameras. A glossy white casing, which can be removed in one piece, houses the swappable rechargeable battery, while the sleek black face houses the 180-degree lens and an LED spotlight. At 3.5 inches high, 2 inches wide and 3 inches in diameter, it's a relatively compact home security camera, and the cameras are weatherproof too. When it comes to the performance of Arlo Ultra 2, 4K footage is clear, detailed, and in color during the day and night. It also has 180-degree field of view with no fisheye effect. We found we were still able to see small details even when the sun was shining brightly, or dark shadows were being cast, thanks to the HDR support. Arlo Ultra 2 also has automatic zooming and motion tracking. Let's talk about the app which comes with Arlo Ultra 2, which is pretty easy to navigate and can get integrated with Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, and HomeKit. The app can also activate a geofence or create a recording schedule. We're big fans of the Arlo app thanks to its clear, easy-to-navigate interface and the fact that it offers as much or as little control over your home security cameras as you want. When it comes to the battery life, Arlo says the battery should last 6 months between charges and it takes around 3.5 hours to recharge, whereas when the battery life is over there is a quick and easy fix as the battery is swappable. Our final verdict on the Arlo 2 Ultra is that it is one of the best home security cameras we've tested, offering fantastically detailed color footage both during the day and at night thanks to its built-in spotlight. The weatherproof camera can be battery-powered or wired in, and has plenty of AI-based features that can identify the cause of a motion alert and even track the subject, so they're always in shot. However, it's eye-wateringly expensive, and you'll still need to pay for a subscription. That's all for the review and product showcase of Arlo Ultra 2. Please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon for updates about more cool tech gadgets.